Hey everybody, it's Charlie with Russ Darrow Waukesha here again, and today I wanted to briefly break down some financing offers that Kia has going on right now, and then just talk about the overall finance landscape when it comes to automobiles right now. So starting off with some incentive sheets here, I'm going to let you guys know that on every single vehicle model, there is a $500 military rebate if you have your DD-214 and presently serve in the military or in the past served for the military. Otherwise, we're going to skip past that and get in towards other rebates and financing incentives that we have going on right now. So starting off on all new Fortes and Sportages right now, Kia does have a financing program going through them, and it's just like standard prime rates. So on tier 1 credit, we're talking 7 to 7.5 range, which I know sounds high, but anybody that's familiar with the landscape says, yeah, that's pretty good as far as rates go right now. But each of those are going to be attached specifically from Kia to an extra $1,000 rebate for financing from them. So that's just easily saving $1,000 right there, which is a no-brainer. And moving on to the Sorento right here, it's going to be the same exact rate, same exact military rebate, but that rebate that you're getting from Kia is actually going to be $1,500. So that's even more. And then the last one I have out here is the EV9. This one's the craziest by far. So you are going to be getting, of course, the military rebate, but they have a competitive bonus rebate here that's coming from Tesla. So if you own a Tesla and you trade it in for EV9, they're giving you $1,500. But listen to this here. Down here in that same exact area, now the rates are fluctuating between 6.75 and 7 range. And that's for 60 to 72 months for all of these here. And the rebate is up to $7,500. So $7,500. There's even more rebates up here for VIN-specific rebates that you can get even an extra $500 to $1,000 off. So we're talking up to upwards of $10,000 or more, depending on what you got going on for rebates off of an EV9. So that can really add up on a lease, a finance, anything realistically. And then there's also going to be rebates on the Seltos, the Telluride, the Neros, you name it. All of the vehicle models are going to have a very similar type of incentive going on right now, and it's only getting better. The Federal Reserve in general seems like they're anticipating more rate cuts, and a lot of lenders reacted accordingly and dropped their rates preemptively as well. So things are only getting better for the auto consumer and for anybody that's looking to purchase a vehicle. We do use over 20 different lenders here for both new and used vehicles here as well. We got terms up to 84 months that can fit into anybody's budget and payment range they're looking to hit. So we have way more stuff than just this going on here as well. Obviously, there's a lot of stuff going on with finance. So if you have any questions or would like to set up an appointment on any vehicle, new or used, please contact us here at 262-444-5445. Otherwise, take care, and we'll see you guys soon.